Hey, what's up guys, it's Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install Putco's Black Platinum Tailgate lettering. This install is super easy and only takes 5 to 10 minutes of your own time. First up, what's in the packaging? It comes with an instruction manual if you need it, and your very own Black Platinum lettering. Another thing before the install, make sure you clean your designated area with rubbing alcohol and a rag to ensure your lettering sticks and stays. Now let's get started. It is super easy, just peel off the red 3M backing and stick Black Platinum lettering to the indented section of your tailgate and press to ensure it stays. It's so easy you could probably do it with your eyes closed. I wouldn't recommend it, but you totally could if you wanted to. Now all you have to do is peel off the white protective covering on the front of the tailgate lettering to show off that beautiful Black Platinum mirror-like design. Now take a look of your tailgate before we did this install of bland and boring to absolutely stunning in just 5 to 10 minutes. That's right, 5 to 10 minutes. And best part is, it doesn't matter if you own a Ford, Chevy, or a GM vehicle, all installs are the same, just peel and stick. Now let's take a moment to look at the Chevy before and the Chevy after this install. Wow, it is just breathtaking. Another amazing feature about these Putco Black Platinum tailgate lettering is that they are made of pure T304 steel, making them last longer than your truck itself. So ditch the bland and go for something spectacular. You can learn more at RHRSwag.com.